So this is the patient where we removed her toenail because the surgeon in the National Health Service told her to pop it back in. And what we can see is that we've got very clean nail growing out. So this is all new nail. So from here to here is all new healthy nail. And there's some dry blood there. So we're just going to clean everything up, some dry skin. And there is a little bit of nail bed damage, but the nail looks like it's attaching really well and really healthy. And this is her famous blue toenail polish. From the period when I saw her to now, it's just grown out quite a bit, which is consistent on how much the nail grows out. Okay, don't move from me, please. So what we're doing is just cleaning all this debris away to make the toe presentable. This will probably be, so it's a month since I saw you, right? Is it a month?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
So I would say it would take you 1 month, 2 months, 5 months for the nail to completely grow out.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. This is going to be a little bit uncomfortable. Well done. Just everything, I'm so sorry. Well done. Aww. Do you know what? I find that whenever there's a partner here, either female or male, patients don't tolerate the pain as much. It's because, it's the same with me. Whenever I have my husband's there, I yell more. They're like, oh, it hurts! But when he's not here, I just man up. Sorry. You okay? Okay, I just got one like this. There we go. Looks better, doesn't it? Very good. Okay. Yeah. Put some antimicrobial cream on there. Got good movement. Hooking a little toe. has a little tiny plaster. If you want to be notified for my next video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button.